IAYP Gold Level team ready for its adventure. Adventure of 5 days, 4 nights. Destination this time is Kedarkantha, a peak, a summit that is dedicated to Lord Shiva, and it is based in Uttarakhand. Lord Shiva is calling us. He is the supreme power and we have to go. I want to thank all parents and I want to request all parents of these students, all teachers, all our friends, please do pray for us that we do it. 3 days from now, on our day 4, we should do the summit. It's not going to be easy, but we'll give it a good try. Now, I also want to thank our principal ma'am for giving us permission to do it. Ma'am will make you proud of it. Now, students, the shout out for this trip is going to be Jai Shambhu and Har Har Mahadev. Now, all of you will repeat after me. Jai Shambhu.
Jai Shambhu.
Raise your hands, baby. Har Har Mahadev.
Har Har Mahadev.
That's it. Let's get going. Chakte Fatte. To all, this is Dyal Singh Public School tracking team ready for its day 2 trek. Reporting from Sang of almost 4 kilometers off to Juda Lake. Yes, the day is going to be tough. The elevation almost 800 meters steep ascent will be doing it. No, we are not scared and my team is all set. Yes? Yes. You know why? Why we are strong? Why we are thinking positive? Because we know our Shambhu, our Mahadev, he is going to carry us up there. That's all from my side. Over and out. Shout out. Jai Shambhu.
Jai Shambhu.
That's it. Let's get going.
Thank you.
Of Dyal Singh team, and my team is still doing strong. Yes or no?
Yes.
It's going to be a short day today. We're going to do tracking of 2.5 kilometers. And elevation that we'll scale is roughly 700 meters. It's going to be a short day. Why I'm saying short day? Just to acclimatize our students. And we're going to travel from Juda Ka Talab to the base camp of Kedarkantha. Let's get going. And the shout out. Jai Shambhu.
Jai Shambhu.
Let's get going. One more point. I want to mention over here our tracking guides, tracking peak guides. He has been really perfect. His guidance has been just awesome. Even the minute details have been shared by them. Thank you. Let's get going.
Thank you.
All the viewers, right now my Dyal Singh team has done the summit and we have done it. All my students are on relaxing mode. Here we'll cover them up. Where are we sitting right now? Right on the footsteps, right over here, where once Lord Shiva must have meditated. This, I won't say it was easy. No, it was not. The last lap was too difficult. But that determination that we have to do it, and we were able to do it. Last year, almost on these days, we were on Nagtipa, and this year over here. Let's see next year where we'll go. We woke up today in the morning at 1:30 and 2:30 we started off. Right at 6 we had done the summit. That was some achievement. Now I would like to request my camera person, please give a 360 view of this whole area. And what I would say, no camera, no lens can give the exact view. It is just mind-blowing. As they say, mountains are calling and we have to go. I think our team, we have answered that call. Now it's your turn to go. Thank you. Yes. This is that historical place for which we had done the trekking. It was not just that adventure that we'll do the summit. This summit has mythological story also behind, and that is Lord Shiva had meditated at this point, and then from here he had moved to Kedarnath. So in a way this was a what you call a holy trip also, right? And this area around it, maybe I'll not be able to cover it properly. It has so many higher Himalayan peaks all around, 360-degree view. And these views, what a guide has just told us, Swargarohini, Bandarpunj, all the peaks, they are visible right in front of us over here. It's a total big range that I'm viewing in front of me. And that side, those are the Himachal peaks. So that's all from my side. In a way, it was a mind-blowing experience. This is Dyal Singh Public School Jagadri team on their day 4 adventure trip. Right now, we are standing at the summit of Kedarkantha. It's not an ordinary peak. We are standing at an altitude of 3,800 meters. It was a difficult one, especially the last lap, but we have done it. Now, if you ask me what's the feeling I have, what we all have, our feelings, all the pleasures of life on one side and today's feeling of achievement on one side. Do you agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we have done it. Congratulations, Principal Ma'am. Your team has done it. As they say, when we do summits, then the question comes to our mind, what next? I think the next summit is your summit within. Lord Shiva, Mahadev, he brought us here. Now he is going to shower his blessings on us and help us to overcome our summit within. We have also brought Jal from our school, which we're going to offer over here. I hope Mahadev ji will help us to overcome all our difficulties, and he'll shower blessings on our school and on all our students. I also want to thank parents of all these students who showed confidence and believed in us. Parents, your kids are just rocking and they have mind-blowing stamina. Please don't ever say anything negative to them and about them. I think I also want to thank our traveling guide collaborators. He is right here with us, Prahlad Pawar. They are from Tracking Peaks. Perfect service these people have done, and this was our second trip with them. Please give them a big hand. That's all from my side. Thank you. And my last shout out, Jai Shambhu.
Jai Shambhu.
Thank you. Done. I hope that was a nice one.